Welcome to 163 Forest Street in Middleton. This is a special offering for several reasons. One, in Middleton, only 19% of the single-family houses are actually sited on a 1.5+ acre lot, as this one is. Number two, in Middleton, only 11% of the single-family homes have been built since 2008, as this one is. Number three, Masco school system is one of the highest rated school systems in the state of Massachusetts. Now, in addition to all of those things, this one-owner home has been lightly lived in, meticulously maintained, has an unfinished but finishable walkout basement, and is so clean you could eat off the floors. But don't do that. We hate it when people do that. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm Peggy Patenaude with the Peggy Patenaude team and William Ravis Real Estate. If you'd like a private showing, please call me at 978-804-0811.